We are the greatest problem solvers to have ever existed on Earth. We've learned to travel vast distances, tame nature at its fiercest, heal the human body. But there's still one problem yet unsolved: our planet. Water is the most precious resource we have on Earth, and we're letting it trickle away, drop by precious drop. Across Asia, large cities are losing up to 40% of their water to leakage. Every day, United States utilities lose around 7 billion gallons of clean, treated drinking water. We're at a crisis point. We need to solve this problem together. How? By investing in the future. At Trelleborg, we develop products that answer today's urgent demand for water security, helping us live within our planet's means while improving quality of life worldwide. Our seals and repair solutions prevent leaks in municipal, commercial, and residential areas around the globe. They're quick and easy to install, and they offer zero leakage. This means not a single precious drop is lost. Investing in Trelleborg means investing in water security for the future.